Assalamu alaikum to all parents and students. Today we are doing ORT Oxford Reading Tree Stage 5 The Last Reader. What was the name of our first reader? Do you remember? The name of our first reader was The Magic Key. Now, what is the name of our last reader? Village, village, itna in the sna o snow. Village in the snow. What is the meaning of this title that is given to us? Village means गांव, in the snow means बर्फ के अंदर. एक गांव जो बर्फ में था, बर्फ के अंदर as in के meaning you can say it means that it was covered with snow all over it. You see, there are snow mountains all over this place. Now let's look at the picture more clearly. We see some old characters here. We can see Wilf, Biff, Kipper, Chip, and this is Wilma. Now let's start reading. Alright, now let's start page number 1. The children were at school. It was playtime. Playtime come in called Mrs. May. The children were at school. It was playtime. Come in called Mrs. May. Let's look at the picture. We see the children are playing over here, and this is their school. Like all of you go to your school. This is Biff, Chip, Kipper, Wilf, and Wilma's school. Now, who called come in? She called. Who is this? Mrs. May. Mrs. May is their teacher. And it was playtime, meaning it was playtime, it was the break, it was the recess time. Now they were playing outside. What were they playing? They are playing football. And come in means the break time is over. Now let's look at the naming words. Any naming word over here? We have a new naming word over here, meaning that is Mrs. May. So let's underline May over here and write N over here because it's a noun, it's a naming word. Now let's move on to page number 2. Page number 2 and 3. Mrs. May told the other children a story. The other story was about a village. The other village was in the other mountains. Mrs. May told the children a story. The story was about a village. The village was in the mountains. Everyone liked the other story. It was called the other village in the other snow. Everyone liked the story. It was called The Village in the Snow. Let's look at page number 2 and 3. What do we see? We see this is the classroom. Mrs. May is holding a book. The book, what was the book about? The book was about a village, the village that was inside the snow or covered with the snow, surrounded with the snow. It could mean anything. Now, what do you see in Mrs. May's class? We see a pile of books in a rack. We see a hamster in the cage. We see 2 frames, 3 frames actually. This is a picture actually. We see a switch. Someone is looking from outside, inside the class. We see Mrs. May's computer, her posters, and we see a cup in which she has her things, meaning pencil, marker, erasers, stuff. We see all of the children sitting down. We see an apple over here. The children liked the story. What was the name of the story? The Village in the Snow. Already you see everyone likes the story and everyone is sitting down and listening to the story. Alright, now let's see if we can find any naming word over here. Mrs. May told the children a story. The story was about a village. The village was in the mountains. Everyone liked, alright, Mrs. May is her name. So we'll write N over here. This is a naming word. Any naming word over here in this one? No. Actually, the village in the snow is a naming word. And we do have action words as well, but told and liked a little bit hard for our children. So let's not, waste our energy on this and let's move on. 4 and 5. The other children went to Biff's room. They wanted an adventure. The children went to Biff's room. They wanted an adventure. But if Biff picked up the other magic key, the other key and began to glow. The other magic is working, said but if Biff picked up the magic key, the key began to glow. The magic is working, said Biff. So whenever we started reading our ORT, we started from the first one. We remember that whenever there was going to be an adventure or whenever the kids wanted an adventure, the key itself began to glow. Now over here Biff wanted an adventure, so she went in her room and she picked up the magic key, and what happened next? The key began to glow, meaning the key was already ready for the adventure. And when they went in, what happened next was they got smaller and they went inside the magic house. Now let's see if we have any naming word. First of all, you will circle this apostrophe S, meaning Biff's room, meaning this is Biff's room, meaning it comes in her ownership. And we have Biff over here, so let's underline this also, write N, Biff, and we have Biff over here. So this is the naming word. Let's look at if we have any. No, there. Yes, we also have a doing word over here. What is the doing word over here? Picked. Picked means to pick it up, like this. Uthana. Picked. So let's write a D over here. Picked. Very simple and very easy doing words, meaning these are verb. Any action that a person is doing, you have to underline it and write D. D means doing word, meaning an action is going to be, there is an action taking place. Picked is a work, is an action. That is why we have underlined it and we wrote D on top of it. Let's see. No, there is none over here. Let's move on. Number 6 and 7. The other magic took the other children to the other village in the other snow. It's lovely, said but if Biff. The magic took the children to the village in the snow. It's lovely, said Biff. Kipper jumped in the other snow. I like the other snow. He called. This is fun. Kipper jumped in the snow. I like the snow. He called. This is fun. Let's look at the picture. The magic took the children to the village in the snow. It's lovely, said Biff. Meaning, when you know, they came outside from the house, what did they see? They came out in the snow. So luckily they were all prepared and wearing winter clothes, because in their area it was also cold. Alright, now let's see where did the magic take them? It took them to the same village in the snow, of which they were reading the story with Mrs. May. Mrs. May was reading the same story, The Village in the Snow, and now they opened the door and they came outside and it was the same. It's lovely. Who said it's lovely? Biff said. Alright, and who said I like the snow? This is fun? Kipper. Alright, now let's see. Naming word is Biff over here and Kipper over here. Now let's see, are there any, do you find any doing words over here? Any action? Yes, there's one. Jumped. Who jumped? Kipper jumped in the snow. Alright, let's move on. Page number 8 and 9. The eight played in the other snow. The eight made a snow and snowman and put Kipper's hat on top. They jumped in the other snow. They threw snowballs. Look, said Wilma. They played in the snow. They made a snowman and put Kipper's hat on top. They jumped in the snow. They threw snowballs. Look, said Wilma. Alright, now what happened now? They were playing, all of them were playing in the snow, and they were throwing snowballs at each other. They made a snowman, and what is Wilma doing? She's pointing over there. She wants to show something to everyone, and that is why she says, look. So that is so everyone else notices what she noticed. Alright, now any naming word. We have Kipper's, apostrophe S, circle it. Kipper's hat, meaning the hat belonged to Kipper, writing N over here. and Wilma. And over here, naming word noun. Any doing word? Yes, played. Played means to play, to have fun. Khelna. Made is also a doing word. Banana. Jumped is also a doing word. And threw is also a doing word. Meaning all of these, played, made, jumped, threw, have actions in them. Page number 10 and 11. They saw a little boy. The boy was pulling a toboggan. Some big boys ran up. They saw a little boy. The boy was pulling a toboggan. Some big boys ran up. Now the word toboggan over here, I said this word, I pronounced this word in British accent, alright? They pushed the little boy over. They pushed the other toboggan over and at they ran away. They pushed the little boy over. They pushed the toboggan over and they ran away. What is happening on page number 10 and 11? Now, you remember Wilma pointed all of the children towards something? Well, she saw something. What did she see? She saw that there was a little boy. The little boy was pulling this toboggan. This is the toboggan that the little boy was pulling. Some big boys ran up. Now you see some big boys are coming towards this little boy. What happened? The big boys pushed the little boy over to the ground on the snow, and they pushed the toboggan over also, meaning these are naughty boys, these are not good boys, and they ran away. After they bullied this little boy, they threw all of his stuff threw the dog, and they pushed the toboggan and the boy on the ground and they ran away. So these were not good boys, these were bad boys, naughty boys. Any naming word over here? No, there's no naming word over here. So let's see, is there a doing word over here? Action. Yes, the boy was pulling a toboggan. We will write D over here. And saw is also a doing word, to look, Some big boys. Ran is also a doing word. Pushed is also a doing word. Again we have pushed over here. And ran is again over here. So this is your naming word on page number 10 and 11. Page number 12 and 13. The other children ran up. They helped the other little boy. Kipper picked up is his hat. The children ran up. They helped the little boy. Kipper picked up his hat. The other little boy told them about the other big boys. Kipper was cross. The little boy told them about the big boys. Kipper was cross. Now what happened on page number 12 and 13? When the big boys ran away, Chip, Kipper, Wilma, Wilf and Biff came to help the little boy. They picked all of his stuff. They picked up the toboggan. Kipper picked up the little boy's hat. And you can see all of them are helping this little boy. Now let's see, any naming word is over here. We have Kipper. We have Kipper again over here. What happened next was the little boy told them about the big boys. Told everyone about the big boys, how they bullied him. And was Kipper happy after hearing this? No, he was not happy. He got angry, he got cross, he got sad. Alright, so this was over here. The children ran. Let's look and see if we have a doing word. Ran is a doing word over here. Helped is also a doing word, but it's kind of like hard, but let's just underline it. Picked is also a doing word over here. Told is also, but let's leave this word over here now. And now I think this is fine for both of the pages. Page number 14 and page number 15. Kipper put on the little boy's hat. He put on his coat. Come on he called. Kipper put on the little boy's hat. He put on his coat. Come on, he called. The big boys looked at Kipper. Kipper looked like the little boy. Come on, said the big boys. The big boys looked at Kipper. Kipper looked like the little boy. Come on, said the big boys. What is happening on page number 14 and 15? You see, after they bullied and ran away, the big boys, and after the children helped the little boy, they made a plan. What was the plan about? What happened? Kipper took the little boy's hat, he took the little boy's coat, and they exchanged clothes with each other. Now Kipper is looking like he is looking exactly like the little boy because the height was almost the same. Now all of them have a plan. Now Kipper was walking along the same line, and what happened? The plan worked, and the big boys saw Kipper, and they thought that this is not Kipper, but this is the little boy walking with the dog again on his toboggan, with his toboggan. So now they thought of bullying him again, and they thought they will bully the little boy again, and they will run away again. Alright, now let's see any naming word. First of all, we'll underline this apostrophe S over here, which means the ownership, meaning this boy's hat, meaning this was this little boy's hat and his coat. Naming word we have over here is Kipper. Alright, now let's see, leave called and put the doing word over here. Let's not add this. Let's move on to page number 15. Looked is over here a doing word. Kipper is a naming word. Again we have Kipper. Again we have looked. Alright. Number 16 and page number 17. The children threw snowballs at the big boys. Help, yelled. The big boys. The big boys ran away. The little boy jumped in the snow. The children threw snowballs at the big boys. Help, yelled the big boys. The big boys ran away. The little boy jumped in the snow. What is happening on page number 16 and 17? Their plan worked, so when the big boys quickly ran towards Kipper dressed as the little boy to bully him, what happened? All of the children came out quickly and started throwing snowballs at the big bad boys. And what happened? Now the big boys are in trouble and they're running away. They're crying for help. They yell, help, but no one is coming to help them now because now they are getting bullied. So the little boy is happy now that he got his revenge and he is jumping on the snow again and again. Now let's see, do we have a naming word over here? No, there's no naming word. Let's see, do we have a doing word and action over here? Yes, we have one. Threw is a doing word, and ran is also a doing word. Jumped is also a doing word. Alright, page number 18 and page number 19. The children put the little boy on the toboggan. They pulled him home. The children put the little boy on the toboggan. They pulled him home. The little boy lived with his grandfather. The little boy lived with his grandfather. Now what happened was, after the big boys ran away, the children pulled the toboggan and they put the little boy on top as a sign of victory. They pulled him home, meaning now they are taking the little boy home. And when they came home, what did they see? That the little boy lived with his poor old grandfather who was injured himself. Did you see? He's injured, so that is why he cannot go with the little boy. And that is why the little boy was going himself to do all of the chores and all of the work. Any naming word over here? Any doing word? Yes, we have a doing word, pulled. 20 and 21. Grandfather gave the other children a drink. The other children told grandfather about the other big boys. Grandfather gave the children a drink. The children told grandfather about the big boys. They told grandfather about the other snowball fight. They told grandfather about the snowball fight. What is happening on page number 20 and 21? Grandfather grandfather called everyone inside as a sign of thank you, as a sign of courtesy. They gave everyone a drink, and we can see this. What was in the drink? Milk. And what are they having? They're having cake and milk. And you can see this is their house, and the dog is sleeping beside the window, and this is the little boy. Everyone is having a good time. And now what happened was, the little boy and everyone is telling grandfather about the big bad boys. And now they told grandfather about the snowball fight. Any naming word over here? And any doing word over here? Actually, you can, told can be, as a sign of a doing word, but let's not do it. It's kind of hard. And gave. You can write gave over here as a doing word also. So let's see, gave can be a doing word. Gave and told is quite similar, so let's leave it. There's no, doing word over here. Number 22 and page number 23. The other children played in the other snow. They went on the other toboggan. This is fun, said Will. The children played in the snow. They went on the toboggan. This is fun, said Wilf. The other magic and began to glow. It's time to go, said Biff. Come on, she said. The magic key began to glow. It's time to go, said Biff. Come on, she said. Now what is happening on page number 22 and page number 23? The children were playing in the snow. They were having fun on the toboggan. They were having a lot of fun. This is fun. Who said this is fun? Wilf said this is fun. Now the magic key began to glow. It's time to go, said Biff. Alright. What happened next was the magic key started to go, meaning it's time for them to leave now. Alright, now let's see any naming word. We have a naming word over here, Wilf. Naming word over here, Biff. Any doing word? Played is a doing word over here. And no, we do not have any naming word on page number 23. Alright, now let's read page number 24, the last page of our last reader. Please do tell me in the comments if you want me to do the ORT videos for stage number 1, 2, 3, 4 as well, because I've only done videos regarding stage 5. If you want me to do videos with other stages of ORT like 1, 2, 3, 4, kindly do tell me on the comments section. The other magic took the other children home. What an adventure, said Chip. The magic took the children home. What an adventure, said Chip. All right. On page number 24, what do we see? The magic is over. The adventure is over. They are back in their home from the little house. They are back to their original size. What an adventure. Who said this? Chip. Underlining Chip and writing N. Any doing word? No, there is no doing word over here on the last page of the last reader. Now they're back home. At the end of every adventure, they have something in their hand, meaning in this one they have something, it's a tool that you use when you ski. Now these are known as ski poles. If you look back on page number 23, you will see that Biff was skiing and she was holding these ski poles in her hands. And now when she came out, she was still holding them in her hands. Now they have gotten smaller, shrink to the original size. So this means that the adventure was real and whatever happened was in real. Now over here a story finishes. I hope you liked the video. I hope the video was informative for your child in reading. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.